How to get promo code for MoneyGram. It's a very simple and a quick process, so without any further ado, let's jump right into the video. First thing first, head over to any of the web browser or move into Safari if you're on your iOS device. Once you're in this page, in the search bar, search for MoneyGram promo code 2024. Wait for a while for it to load. Now in this page, scroll down and you will be able to see tons of different sites. From here, move into any of the sites that you want to. Let me move into this one. Click on it. You will land on the official page of coupon codes. In this page, you will be able to see tons of different bonus, discounts and offers. Scroll down and you'll get to see more. If you want to search for the specific discounts or the offers, then you can click on the search icon at the top right corner of the screen. From here, you can choose any of the specific offers or discounts. Once you have found, all you want to do is click on it. And there you can see the promo code has appeared on your screen. Now simply copy this promo code. Once you have copied, head over to your application MoneyGram and then enter this promo code. If the promo code is valid, then you will be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can get promo codes from MoneyGram. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing to our channel. We'll see you in the next one.